What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm on a driveway fix today again. That's what I should have named my channel, Driveway Fix. So I'm always fixing stuff in the driveway. Oh well. Alright, so today I'm gonna work on my Nissan. The front seat is a little worn here. So instead of trying to get this patched, I got a whole nother seat cover to replace it, and I'm also replacing a steering wheel in Rogelio's Armada. That's my next door neighbor. Oh yeah, that over there. He's somewhere over there. But I'm replacing the steering wheel on that with a nice wood grain one. It looks pretty cool. So we're gonna replace that, and that's it. So basically I'm just gonna pull out the front seat and recover it, show you guys how to recover, and change the steering wheel on Armada, and probably do some other things that's kind of weird. But anyway, let's get started. Alright, so I got the seat out, got it up on the table here, and I need to just figure out how to get this bottom section off. I have no idea at all. So we about to learn together. You about to learn tonight. I see that it's 2 bolts underneath, and I know the cover wraps around under it. So I was probably 2 more bolts under there. So I'm gonna flip it over and take a look at everything so you guys can see it too. Okay, yeah, let me just turn over. And this is the new cover that replaces this. Now, when I got my truck back in 1900s, now back in 2005, it was like really dark gray, and then over time it custom faded. I don't know if you guys can see how faded this is, but that's the color, and it looks almost black. I wish I could make this one fade, but to match is really good, but that's the actual color. So these was the bolts right here. This bolt, that bolt there ties in the bottom pan, and oh okay, I do see one down there, so we just have to pull this up here to take that bottom cover off. And it's a bolt here and another bolt here. They look like they're about 12s. So let me go grab a 12 real quick. Okay. That's the bottom pan. And this should be just Velcroed here, like that. And then just fold it over. Okay, this is the part I was worried about. So I thought maybe this was broke down. It is kind of a little broke down, but not as bad. Inside, you have what they call hog rings, and those need to be cut off. Alright, so now we just got to reverse the process by putting this cover here on it there. Okay, wait a minute, that's backwards. Right there. Okay, done. So we just start with the, let me get the hog rings. We're gonna start with the rings first. Turn this completely inside out. We're gonna start there because we're gonna center and work our way out. Alright, so now we need to get it back in the car. So let's put that back in there. Alright, so got all done with the seat on the Titan. It's over there out the way now. Now I'm back on it. I'm on the Armada, not back on it, but I'm on it now. Yeah. We're gonna take that steering wheel out, this one right here, and then put in the other one. Now I'm not sure how to take it off, but I am going to undo the battery because I don't want the airbag going off. So we're gonna do that and hop on it. I know it's not the usual content that we normally do, but it's what I gotta do today, and today is Thursday. So let's get started. Let's see if we can get this off of here. The bolt is still in there a little bit. Okay, the bolt finally fell out. There we go. And this is the part I don't like. Taking these plugs off. Only time it's bad is actually when it's been activated, then they melt. And it's just a little, this black, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if that's close as I can get you. Oh, there we go. This little black clip, it just pops out, and that's what releases it. So I get this one out without damaging it. Alrighty, got both of them loose, and then they come straight off like that. And this the ground should be just slid on there. There we go. Now we got that off. So, and then we got this plug here. And there's my bolts. Got my bolts out. Alrighty. Now I'll be right back. I need to get the socket for that. Alright, this is the size is a 19. So I need an extension. I just use this wobble here. Don't pull it all the way off, just undo it just a little bit, or halfway, and then you're supposed to pull it, but there we go. And I made sure the steering wheel was straight. We go set that to the side. Slowly pull it off to get the wiring out the way. And then we're gonna feed our wires back through. Just like that. Alrighty, and then take our plug it up. Now it's little holders in here to put all the wiring. So we'll put all the wires there. Alrighty, we don't have the matching airbag, but this should definitely do. Just gonna put the clips back in, push the black lock in, like that. And then I can slide this back on. So I had lost audio on my GoPro. I think the plug came out. But anyway, that is the windshield washer pump with the reservoir. And just trying to figure out, should I pull the whole reservoir out? Look at some bolts over there, something clips over there. And yeah, some clips over there. So, alright, well, I'm just going to probably just pull the pump out. Just the pump itself and not the reservoir, and just put the lines back together, so it's a left and a right line and then the actual electrical plug. And I'm thinking of, let me just grab the other one and see what it looks like, and because I haven't opened it, and yeah, it looks about the same. It's got two lines in and out and the actual electrical plug. It's about the same. It's a little bit different on where the hoses go through, but anyway, I'm just going to go from hose to hose on that and just plug it in. And what I think I'm gonna do is, when I pull the pump out, I'm just gonna stick my finger in the reservoir to stop the water, and then just hurry up and push the pump in there, and then just plug it back up. I'm hoping that'll work, so I'm gonna try to set the GoPro down. Trying to get a good picture. That should do it, so it won't fall. So I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect. We can reconnect on the right side, and then the left one, pull it off, and oh, she's coming out. It's a lot. Alright, so I'm just going to pull this off here as fast as I can, and she's going to pull out a lot. So put my finger in it real quick. Alright. And just hurry up and shove this one in there, the new one. I lost a little bit, but not much, because it was almost full. And just undo the electrical. And I did notice when I pulled out the electrical, it was kind of tight, and I looked at it, it's a little corroded. I didn't think too much of it, so I'm just going to put it in there and give it a shot. Make sure it's in there secure, not leaking. Yep, it's about secure. That'll do it. Alright, so I got the Armada done. It wasn't the motor. The motor was bad. So once I replaced it, it didn't work at first. So I had to unplug it, clean the terminals out with a terminal cleaner, put it back in there, and it came right on. So it's probably just had a little stuff in there from the actual windshield washer fluid. But other than that, everything is working. The washer is working great, and the steering wheel is looking awesome. Let me give you another look at that. It's looking good. That's out of a Affinity Q something 45 or something like that, the sister to this car. But thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please comment, like, and subscribe. Until then, I guess I'll see you guys later, until we find something else to do. Yeah, I do got something else for you. Stay tuned.